everybody, welcome. Now, we're not busy today. I haven't had time really to do anything, so I'm going to do something today that I really fancy. It's simple, but I enjoy it. I have done some on my video, on my channel before, but recipe ones. This is going to be my recipe. I'm going to do myself toad in the hole and bangers and mash. My recipe though, not these ones on the out of the recipe books. They didn't turn out very well. So it's going to be something simple. Mix it together, get it in the oven, and away we go. So let's get cooking. Right, I got myself 45 grams of lard. I always use lard, I do, when I do my Yorkshires and all that sort of stuff. Some plain flour. I just got myself 8 Cumberland. 3 eggs. Bit of salt and pepper. Some milk. I've already prepared my spuds over there, look. It's just simple enough for me. The first things I want to do is I want to get the lard melted in my bowl. I'm only doing a little one because there's only me and Nat having it. The kids fancied pizza, we don't want pizza. So I'm just going to get the lard in, get that melted first. Right, while that lard's in, I'm going to prepare my batter mix, because you want to leave that to rest for half an hour, your batter mix. So I get myself plain flour. I never measure. As long as you get, like I've said before on my channel, get a cup, have the same amount of flour as milk, your Yorkshire puddings will be fine. Ignore what I say, 200 grams of this, 200 grams of that, you don't need to. Get your flour in. And get your milk in, whatever milk you use, whether it's semi-skinned or whatever you use. Nice and simple. Boom. The first thing you want to do is get your eggs in first and give it a little whisk. 3 eggs. And give it a little whisk. So you start getting like a sort of a crumb, like that. Then just add the milk a bit at a time until you get a batter. Like so. There you go. And you want to pour that into a jug. Get my jug. Move that out of the way. Lovely batter. Yes, that's what you want. Salt and pepper to taste, depends on how you like it. And salt, there we go. You can always put other stuff in there if you want to. Bit of sage goes nice in there, but I'm not doing that today. Leave that aside for 20 minutes, half an hour. Once the lard's melted, get that in and get yourself some sausages in, depending on how many you want. And you want to get these pre-cooked early, get them browned up. I'm going to have quite a few. Might as well. There we go. I'll put 6 in there. Get them in the oven for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just to start browning. Right, I've done myself a couple of onions. Well, 1 large onion. I'm just going to do myself some caramelised onions. So why not? I put my spuds on. Why isn't that coming up? Hello. Put it on this one. Just want it on low. Bit of olive oil. Can't see that now, can you? I don't know why that wouldn't come on. You get that heated up. Right, I'm going to put the onions in. While they're doing nice and slowly, I'll get the sausage. Right, the sausages have started to do now. This is the quick bit. Get your stuff in. Cover the bottom. Get it back in the oven. Don't open the oven door. About 30 minutes. Right, that's about how we like ours. You can keep going if you need to go a bit more. I'm just going to put a little drop of red wine vinegar in. Just a drop. And I've just noticed I haven't got no what do you call it? Gravy. I'm sure I've got some somewhere. I'm going to have to have a look. Gotta have to go shopping. Spuds are doing now. Smells delicious, that does. I'll keep hunting for gravy. Right, the only gravy I can find is this one. I have got some powdered stuff somewhere, but I don't know what, I think I must have used it all. So I'm going to have to just use gravy granules. It's a shame, and that's beef at all. I'm going to put a bit of vegetable stock in anyway. Right, I'm just going to have to use the beef gravy granules. Oh well, not worried. I could have used flour and everything, but I ain't going to have time to do all that now and now that will simmer down. I'll just keep stirring this. Right, gravy's done. I have been seasoning the gravy as I go. One last taste. Oh yes, gorgeous. We love it with a bit of jam in as well. Sometimes put a bit of jam in, especially at Christmas. With all them juices off the meats and that, is lovely. I'm going to take that off for a bit. Spuds are done. I'm going to turn them off and drain them. Right, I've drained them. I'm just going to stick some butter in it now. Some of the Aldi unsalted. I've only got unsalted butter. And got the salted. Get that in. I might put the last little bit in as well. Make it an extra bit buttery. I'm going to put that on for a couple of minutes to steam. Right, I'm going to start mashing away. Then I'm going to add a little drop of milk and salt and pepper to taste. What do you use when you do yours? You use milk or do you use cream? I don't really like cream in mine. And put some salt and pepper in. Taste as a mash. Yorkshire's looking nice. Well, the Tony and the Old's looking nice. Won't be long now. Well, that's virtually done. I'm going to give it a little taste. Maybe a bit more salt, maybe. Yeah, a bit more salt. Right, Toad in the Old should be done now. I'm going to get it out and have a look. I haven't opened the oven. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, lovely jubbly. It's done. Right, I'm going to dish it up and we're going to eat it. Well, there we go. Mine and that's. Mine with a lovely thick gravy. Plateful, look at that. Look at that Yorkshire. I'm not going to eat it on camera because Nat's waiting for dinner because we're starving. It's really late now. So this probably be a late upload. But yes, lovely. I'm just sitting at the table. So I'll just show you. There we go. No veg. Not having any veg. Just mash, onion gravy. And a Toad in the Old. And that scoff in the face, you can't wait. Nice, yes. There we go. There we go. Lovely, Nat says. Potatoes are seasoned perfect, aren't they? And that gravy's gorgeous. Thick gravy. Can't beat it. What do you think? I've done you too much mash, I think, but...
The mash is nice.
Nice, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. Well, we're going to go and eat it then because we had a hectic day. So it might be a late upload. But thanks for watching. I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Well, just did all of that and that was absolutely bloody delicious. Let me show you. Plate empty, look. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. That's it, all hers. She just has for seconds. Not a mash because she can't have a lot of mash. She does her belly in. But she's asked for seconds and I've only done a small one. She's upset. Well, there we go. Gorgeous. See you later. Bye-bye.